Hello everyone, welcome to the Office of Multicultural Student Affairs. My name is Kennedy Ridgway. I'm a junior here at SVSU and I'm the lead student program coordinator in the OMSA office. Our office is open and available to anyone at SVSU. We have all kinds of activities and resources like coffee. This is the coffee lounge where the office provides coffee, tea, water, and light snacks available to students, faculty, and staff throughout the day. Across from the coffee lounge sits Dora Ramirez. She is our administrative secretary. Near the front desk are the program coordinator stations. This is where the student workers work to develop programs and events for the SVSU campus community, such as Black History Month, Women's History Month, and Hispanic Heritage Month. Carmen Stricker is our KCP 4S director. The KCP program is designed to educate and motivate students for success. The goal is to increase graduation rates by developing partnerships focused on the retention of our students. Dr. Roberto Garcia is the director of the Office of Multicultural Student Affairs. In our office, we have a library where students can sign out books each semester. We have a variety of multicultural and diversity books in the collection. In our first resource room, students and student organizations have access to the use of our computers, airtime projector, and free printing. When we go down our hallway, first we have our conference room that is used for office meetings and meetings for RSOs. Students are also available to reserve these rooms for studying. Across the hall, we have the LGBTQ+ Programs and Services office. This office has programming to promote LGBTQ+ awareness, advocacy, and allies. Lastly, we have our second resource room in which students and student organizations have access to the use of our computers, airtime projector, and many students utilize this space to hang out and study. Feel free to stop in anytime to see what programs and services we provide. To learn more, please visit svsu.edu/MSA or follow us on Instagram at OMSA_SVSU or on Facebook at SVSU OMSA.